This video is to walk you through how to set up an image for the home screen, for the home screen of the iPads that will have some labeling that makes it easy to identify where this iPad belongs. So we're going to include the teacher name and the label that's on the back. So you should have a letter and a number on the back of your iPad right now. So if I'm in a primary grade, I'm going to take a screenshot of the lock screen, which also has the serial number. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and lock my iPad here. And to take a screenshot, you press the home button and the lock button at the same time. Hear a little click. You'll see the camera flash. So now I took a picture of this screen. Now I can go into my photos and I should be able to see that picture. If you are in an upper grade where you are assigning this iPad to one student, you could have the student take a picture of themselves and then we can use that as the home screen. Now to label the picture, we have to go into the app Sketch, which is a pink square with some white feathers in it. So the first time you log in, it's going to ask you if it will allow you to use the photos. You're going to want to say yes, allow to use the photos, and you should see the picture that you just took. So I'm going to go into my camera roll and I'm going to find that picture. And now I have some different options here. On the right hand side you'll see a small arrow. I'm going to click that arrow and it will open up some more tools for me. So the one at the very bottom, right above the arrow, is an A. That's the text box. And I'm going to put this labeling down toward the bottom, just so when it's on the lock screen, or when it's on the home screen, you'll be able to see it still. So I'm going to go ahead and label this with the teacher name. The teacher name and the letter and number that are on the masking tape on the back of the iPad right now. So this is 05. So now I have my text box and I can just move that down toward the bottom. I can make it larger if I need to. And I'll just stick it down in the bottom corner there. That way, if the iPad gets left somewhere, we'll easily be able to figure out whose classroom it belongs to and where it needs to return to and which student left it there. So to save this, I need to go up to the top right corner where there's a little box with an arrow in it. I'm going to tap that. And down at the bottom now, I'm going to switch this. Instead of share, I'm going to click to save, and I'm going to save to photos. So now if I go back into my photos, I'll have my original picture and I'll also have the one that now has my labeling on it. Again, if you are in an upper grade, this could be a picture of the student, so we can quickly identify who it belongs to.